Yeah.
Oh, shit. So we got a wild bird on top of your head here.
I don't think he's wild.
It's a tame cockatiel.
But he sure does like me.
Oh, there you go.
Nice, Dave.
Okay, here we go. I think he has escaped because this is not a native bird. This is not a native bird.
Mom, I think you should go inside before he flies in your hair again.
Do you have anything that's like a cage for him?
Well, no, but I'd like to be able to look at the band.
He's good.
Thanks a lot.
03 Oregon. You know what? I think maybe he is wild. He's got a band on him.
Oh, wow.
Well, he doesn't strike me as a wild bird.
No, I don't think he is, but by the same token.
Maybe you should call wildlife in.
Mom,
yeah, you should. You should, and he's got a band on him.
Okay, don't give him to me.